Today, I'm going to be showing you how to download apps on your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro laptop. This is a pretty simple process, but there are a few things you need to know in order to do it correctly. Here are some tips for downloading and installing apps on your MacBook Air. Only download apps from trusted sources. There are a lot of scams out there, so it's important to only download apps from trusted sources. Keep your apps up to date. App developers often release updates that fix bugs and improve performance. It's a good idea to keep your apps up to date to ensure that you're getting the best possible experience. There are two ways to download apps to your MacBook: using the App Store or downloading them from the internet. Let's talk about both methods. How to download apps from the App Store. The first way to download apps on your MacBook Air is to use the App Store. This is the official App Store for macOS, and it's where you can find millions of apps to choose from. To download an app from the App Store, open the App Store app and search for the app that you want. Once you've found the app, click on the Get button. You can also look on the App Store page and see if you find some apps that you like. Then click on Get. If you are not logged into Apple Store, you will be prompted to enter your ID and password or just create an Apple ID. If you do not have an Apple ID, just check the description because I have left a link to the video on how to do this. If the app is free, it will be downloaded and installed automatically. If the app is paid, you'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID and password and card info. Once you've entered your credentials, the app will be downloaded and installed. How to download apps from the internet. Another way to download apps on your MacBook Air is to download them from the internet. This is a bit more complicated than downloading apps from the App Store, but it's still pretty easy to do. To download an app from the internet, you'll need to go to the website of the app developer and find the download link. Once you've found the download link, click on it and the app will start downloading. Once the app has finished downloading, you'll need to install it. To install an app, open the Finder app and navigate to the folder where the app was downloaded. Double-click on the app's icon to start the installation process. Let me show you. I will go and install a browser for the Mac. I am on the app developer site. I select the version of the app. For me is macOS. The browser will ask me if I allow this. Click Allow. After the file is downloaded, just go to the Downloads folder and click on that file. Just follow the on-screen instructions. I just need to move to Applications. If I check the apps, I should see the app in a few seconds. And the app is installed. So for this method, use Google to find the app developer site. Please be sure to double-check the app so you won't get any malware. But what if you are having problems with installing apps? If you're having problems downloading or installing apps on your MacBook Air, there are a few things you can try. Restart your Mac. This can sometimes fix problems with the App Store or with your Mac's permissions. Check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a fast and stable internet connection. Update your Mac software. Apple often releases updates that fix problems with the App Store or with apps. Contact the app developer. If you're still having problems, you can contact the app developer for help. That's all there is to it. Downloading apps on your MacBook Air is a pretty simple process, but there are a few things you need to know in order to do it correctly. I hope this video has helped you learn how to download apps on your MacBook Air. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope this helps.